In Columbus, Ohio on Sunday, some anxious minutes during takeoff.
We lost the number 2 engine on the bird strike with high vibration.
Please like and subscribe.
These are the ones that crashed. I don't know if it crashed it or not. The American Airlines. These are the geese I just took. You can hear the parrots over there. Yeah, now what? Yeah, I got ya. See, these things just keep multiplying. See? So, 3 of them, and I got from the parrots over there. I had to fight them to get it. Yeah, well, you ain't going nowhere. Got 3 of them. Ain't that so? And here comes the parrots. They're gonna come attack me here.